Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. All right, today I am tackling something that I have not tackled in 2 years, okay? It's something that I've avoided. It's something that I just have not placed in front of me and just said, you know what, Melissa? I'm just gonna do it. And that is cooking with my CROCKPOT Express cooker. Now this thing has been in my cabinet for 2 years now. It was a wedding gift from my in-laws, and I used it once, and it worked well. Nothing was wrong with it or anything, but I just have not tackled it. I haven't used it since. One, because it's kind of intimidating. It has tons of buttons on it. It's a pressure cooker. You know, it has this valve that releases pressure, and I just have not used it. So today I will be using it to cook dinner, and I've heard a lot about being able to use the CROCKPOT Express cooker to cook frozen meats, and that's what I'm going to try to cook today. So if you're interested in how I use this CROCKPOT Express cooker to cook frozen chicken thighs, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be bringing you around my kitchen as I am maneuvering to cook these chicken thighs in that CROCKPOT Express cooker, and I'm gonna show you what I have here. So I have with me today, I have some frozen chicken thighs that we just picked up from our local Sprouts, and I have some green beans. I don't know where we got these from, but I think we got them from COOKER. Some green beans, and then I just looked in the pantry and there was some wide egg noodles that I'm gonna cook with that. And this is completely optional, but if Chris wants a roll, he can have some sweet rolls that are left over from last night's dinner. So normally I cook dinner on top of our stove or inside the oven, but I really want to try this out. I've heard so many great things about it, and I feel like if I can get this down, it's going to completely change my life. So comment down below if you have like an Instapot or a pressure cooker or a CROCKPOT Express cooker. Comment down below and let me know if you use it in your house. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by washing my chicken thighs. Yes, they are frozen, so I'm gonna open them up and go ahead and wash them off, and I'm gonna just place them right into my crock pot. I have just added 2 cups of water to my clean chicken thighs, and they are in the crock pot here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season them. I'm not gonna show you all the seasonings that I'm using because it's a little secret. So, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add them directly to my crock pot, and I'm also going to be conscious of the seasonings that I'm using. I'm not sure if you guys know, but which I think he already told you guys. Woo! Got in my nose. I thought I had to sneeze. I'm very conscious of the seasonings that I use because Chris does have high blood pressure. So I use a lot of this here, Mrs. Dash seasonings, because it has 0 salt. But I do cook with some seasonings that do have some salt in it, but it is not like my main thing here. Like, you know how some people add like salt and a little bit of garlic powder, like, nah. All right, you guys, so I now have my chicken. It's well seasoned, and I have 2 cups of water in here as well as 1 chopped onion. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and place this into the crock pot here, just like so. And I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna hit poultry. And I'm gonna set it, it's already set for 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna hit start. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my sides. So like I said, I'm having green beans and some egg noodles. So I feel like I keep checking on it because I don't know what it's doing. Like, I want it to be doing the right thing. Y'all think it's working? It says heat. Maybe it's heating up and then it's going to, I hear it. Do you hear it? I hear it doing something. I got the valve on no pressure so that the steam doesn't come out. Okay, I'm just gonna let it be. I'm kind of like a little concerned that I didn't do it right, but I mean, it makes sense, right? poultry, start, 15 minutes, and then press start again to actually get it started. Okay, I don't know. Well, we're gonna let this do its thing. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes since the timer has gone off that the 15 minutes was up. So I'm going to use this little spatula here to kind of move the chicken around. I hope, y'all, that it turns out to something good. I am not sure. Remember, this is frozen chicken thighs that was put into this CROCKPOT Express cooker, and my expectation is that it's going to no longer be frozen and to be cooked all the way through. So you guys are seeing it for the first time with me. I'm a little nervous, but yeah, let's just open up this bad boy. Here we go. So I think I'm supposed to release the pressure first. Oh shoot, you hear that? Oh, okay, there's some pressure. Okay, that's coming out, and I'm gonna wait till that dies down some. Okay, so that has died down. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Here we go. Okay. Wow, that smells delicious. See here, it is cooked all the way through. Look at that. Okay, so as you saw that the chicken is done, I'm able to pick it up with the fork, stab it with the fork. So it is cooked all the way through. Look how juicy and plump it looks, y'all. Now this these chicken thighs did not have any skin on them, but I'm gonna go ahead and taste a little bit, and then I'm actually gonna put it right back in the crock pot so it can keep warm. So let me taste it. That is good. I cannot believe that. I can't believe this. What? What? So you telling me that I can put a frozen chicken in this CROCKPOT Express cooker, 15 minutes, let the steam come out for 10 minutes, naturally release, and it's done? Like, is that what you're telling me right now? I think my life has been changed forever.
Heavenly Father, we give you praise and glory. We thank you for bringing us together. We thank the maker of this meal. We also thank you for providing us with nourishment for our bodies. And now we pray. Thank God. Amen.
Amen. All right. Chris is about to try the chicken.
No, these are the ones that come from, what you call it?
Sprout.
Sprout.
Yeah.
The boneless ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had them before.
But you haven't had them in the...
Got a lot of flavor to it.
We got a lot of flavor. Hey, all right. So there you have it. Frozen chicken thighs put into the CROCKPOT Express cooker. Season them, 2 cups of water. Put it on for 15 minutes. Let it naturally seep out the steam for 10 minutes. And there you have it. Flavorful chicken thighs. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more CROCKPOT videos, make sure you comment down below. We want to see more, and I'll bring you more recipes. All right.